In the Bengaluru City Central Corporation area, roads like St. John's Church Road, KR Circle, Racecourse Road, Mission Road and JC Road were resurfaced. Officials insist that works are part of a broader plan under the 694 crores action plan with the goal of ensuring motorable roads within a month. But critics say that these temporary patchworks may not really last. Our colleague Mohammad Wajiullah first visited Double Road on 29th of August to check whether there are any potholes. After filing a complaint on 18th of September, no repairs were done even by 25th of September. Patched potholes have worsened, leaving locals to question whether these fixes will even last. Take a look.
I really don't know what do we call this report, because this is the third time I am coming to this very spot. The first time when I came, it was 29th of August, and there were two huge potholes, one here and the other one there. And then again, when I came on the 18th of September, 20 days later, these two potholes got bigger and bigger. And last Tuesday, which is 23rd of September, we had claimed impact because they had laid this entire stretch that you see, they had laid this road down. But today when we've come 2 days later, you can clearly see that this road has started to wear off. The gravels and everything are coming off in this road. I don't want to damage the entire road, but if you clearly see, if I just remove this, stones are coming off. They are just coming off in my hand. This is the quality in which potholes are being filled here in Bengaluru. And this entire stretch is just worn off. And now, slowly in another day or two and more rains, you will see the pressure of the road, heavy vehicles coming here, and all this will come off, will open up again. So there was no point filling these potholes, because this stretch, that stretch was just filled 2-3 days back. Doing things like this will only wear off in a day or two. And just by the movement of my stick, and I'm not rubbing it also, it's just slow movement. In that also the stones are coming out. Imagine if vehicles going on top of this on a daily basis, it is really going to wear off this road. And in this particular stretch, the road is opening up again and again. This is, I think, the fourth time I have come here, and I've already said how we had claimed impact on this road. But in just 2-3 days, the entire road is wearing off.